Hello friends, welcome to this new lab. In this lab, we are going to see how to create a static website using Amazon S3. So in AWS account, in one region, we'll create S3 bucket and we'll upload HTML file. We'll make it as public and we can access this URL using internet. This is our architecture, guys. Let's check the steps now. So in AWS account, so in one region we'll create a S3 bucket and we'll create one HTML file and we'll upload that file into S3 bucket and we'll make it as public so that we can access that web page using internet. Let's jump into our AWS console now. Okay, this is our AWS console. So let's go to services, S3 and click on create bucket. Here we have to specify the region. And just I'm giving name network console data storage. So I'm leaving the other option as it is, and we are making it as a public. So just I'm giving untick, and we have to acknowledge this. Just I'm clicking on create bucket. So now our S3 bucket is ready. Okay, let's upload our HTML file into this bucket. Just click on this bucket and click on upload and select our HTML file here. So I will show you my HTML script first. So this is my HTML script. This is very simple script and I'm going to upload this file into this S3 bucket. So just click on this network console page. So I have this web page. This is my HTML file. Just I'm clicking on upload. So it is being uploaded. Yes, it is done now. This is our object and this is just a status message. Just let's close this, and if you see, this is my web page. And here if you see, this is URL, this is the URL of this object. Let's click on this and let's see. So just open this here and it is throwing some error, access denied. So we have to add some policies, but if you want to verify this directly, so you can verify like this. If you click on this open button, so it shows so what is the content. So this is the one, but let me close this and provide some permission to this object to access from internet by using this URL. So let's click on this and click on permissions. So here we already enable it for public access, but we need to mention some bucket policy. So here is the thing. Actually I copied the bucket policy, so already I prepared it. So we can take this from internet and we can modify based on our requirement. So I did like this and just I'm copying it and I will paste it here. Click on edit and paste it here. So just click on save changes. So policy is good now. So let's go back to our object and yeah, even we already copied this, right? Anyway, let's copy this again and paste here. Let's see. Yes, it is accessible now. So by using this URL, we can access this web page. So this is the thing, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and encourage me for more video creations. Thank you.